Welcome to today's video. Today we will look at Speechelo, a text-to-speech software. Watch until the end to see a live demo. You know there are few things more annoying when watching a video than a terrible audio track, tinny sounding, bad volume and you struggle to hear what is being said. But even worse, text-to-speech. Those terrible text-to-speech audios on videos that sound fake, emotionless, robotic and cheap. That makes me hit the back button every time. So what to do if we don't have a nice voice for our own or our clients' videos? We pay somebody to do it for us, and that ain't cheap. There was no real alternative. Until now. Speechelo is an incredible new text-to-speech software that actually sounds like a real person, with pauses, tone, inflection, so much so that you're hard-pressed to tell that it's not a real person. In just a few clicks you can have natural-sounding voiceovers for your videos. Text-to-speech sounds like a lifeless robot. So it's down to paying for talent or doing it yourself. But not anymore. This software will create beautiful, natural-sounding voiceovers. Add pauses, inflections and tone make listeners believe it's a real human talking. All in under a minute with just a few clicks. Watch now as I create a short voiceover. Hi, this is Billy Joe. This is how easy it is to create a voice like mine. Type your text into the box. Check grammar and spelling. Select your voice and tone. Then click Generate Voice. Yes, it's that easy.
Hi, this is Rosie. This is how easy it is to create a voice like mine. Type your text into the box. Check grammar and spelling. Select your voice and tone. Then click Generate Voice. Yes, it's that easy.
This is Owen. This is how easy it is to create a voice like mine. Type your text into the box. Check grammar and spelling. Select your voice and tone. Then click Generate Voice. Yes, it's that easy.
Thanks for watching. If you would like a closer look at Speechelo, to see all the special features included, then click the first link in the description. Like and subscribe for further updates on marketing tools.